Opening a Trading 212 account is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit the Trading 212 website. Go to the Trading 212 website to start the account opening process. Click on Sign Up. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage and click on it. Provide personal information. Fill out the online application form with your personal details, including your name, email address, and country of residence. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This typically involves providing a copy of your ID and possibly additional documents like a utility bill for proof of address. Select account type. Choose the type of account you want to open. Trading 212 offers both Invest and CFD accounts. Decide which one suits your investment goals and preferences. Fund your account. After your account is approved, fund it with the required minimum deposit using one of the available payment methods. Review and agree to terms. Review Trading 212's terms and conditions, risk disclosure, and privacy policy. Once you've read and understood them, agree to proceed. Start trading. Once your account is funded, you can start trading a wide range of financial instruments offered by Trading 212, including stocks, ETFs, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies.